In this video, I'm going to show you how to see targeting details using Minea. So Minea is a powerful tool for a product search, and it allows you to analyze and targeting to understanding audience insights. So whether you're dropshipping or running ads, this can help you improve your strategies. Now, go to the official website of Minea's and then navigate to the ad section or ad spice. So in here, use filters like keywords, platforms, and engagement metrics to find relevant ads like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. So in this case, I'm going to search like Facebook. So as you can see in here, it shows up some ads that is related to the keyword that you've searched. So in here, click on an ad that interests you most. So Minea provides insights such as ad creatives, landing pages, and engagement stats. So scroll down to see if targeting details are available and look for age, range, gender, country, and interests used in the ad campaign. Some ads allow targeting and lookalike audience data depending on availability. And then use this data to refine your own ad targeting strategy, compare different successful ads to see common audience trends, and if needed, test similar targeting in Facebook Ad Manager or TikTok ads. And that's it. That's how you use targeting details with Minea. By analyzing competitor ads, you can find the best audience strategies for your campaigns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.